Here's another Grap coin video update on YouTube. The GALA chart is everything. Instead of a 5-wave upswing, we have only witnessed 3 thus far. We've completed the first block, but if we've already reached the bottom, the subsequent step will need to deduct 6.9 cents. The bull's next major objective is that, prior to initiating the price hikes we have been discussing for weeks, they must overcome the 6.9 cent hurdle. The 100% mark, or 23 cents, would be the result of this. Assuming that this is a 3-wave maneuver, it can only be tallied as wave A and wave 1. One of the primary objectives for that rising trend is the Fibonacci extension, because there is no other way to go. I don't see a good way to figure that out other than that. I'm going to call that then a wave because the move is obviously 3 waves. Conversely, the drop is a B wave. However, this is only valid while support is at 1.9 cents. No matter what we do, support will break. The C wave might begin with a wave and a C wave, creating a 5-wave movement, and there would be more negative possibilities. These waves typically follow the same pattern. Length. So if the 1.9 cent level holds, this is my first objective for the upside. This stage provides us with crucial assistance and enables us to calculate risk and return really clearly. We've has departed our region where the direction is currently ascending. However, there are a few variables we need to watch closely in order to determine whether this growth tendency will continue. There's still a chance for another low, as evidenced by the recent 3-wave rise from the bottom. You do recall that around April 13th, lows were reached, correct? Certain elements are immediately noticeable, such as the yellow count, which has an ABC structure. IB note how it allows for one more low before concluding. Wave 4 is now underway. In Wave 5, if prices continue to decline, we might be left with only 3 cents and 33 pennies. One of the most significant requirements for the 1.618 expansion is the C wave is given that we have breached the 100% extension. 1.618 is probably the next aim. If we hit another low, perhaps at 2.6, which translates to 3 cents or 2.65 cents, the 61.8 retracement, which occurs frequently, there might be a response. I am referring to this as wave 4 in a 3-wave move. We could be sent down in wave 5 with one more low. This level may allow a B wave escape because wave 4 is not very hostile. I hope this continues to be the case for some time. Unrealistic. This is nothing out of the ordinary. In a diagonal wave 4, things can become a bit more antagonistic. This implies that even though I might still classify it as a wave 4, since it wasn't nearly as strong as ideal, we added this white count to the image to demonstrate the straight upward trajectory. We can carry out this idea. Wave 2's low shouldn't be breached because a 5-wave pattern is starting to become obvious. We may focus on the crucial level, which is higher at 3.8 cents. As long as it remains in that position, the 5-wave pattern will keep shifting. It indicates that the yellow count is proceeding as anticipated if it drops below that threshold. But keep a watch on that level since the 3rd wave is expected to reach 6 cents. Our constant goal is to reach 1.38. For me to declare the formation of a low, 5 waves must drop to 6.5 cents. We will most likely reach another low if there are only 3 waves left till then. This reveals a great deal about the risk we face at the moment. Once the extension is reached, or perhaps higher, we can anticipate a 4th wave pullback. A 5th wave will come after this, and it is generally knowledge that it will strike the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. I hope my news regarding GALA pleased you. If so, kindly click the like button, subscribe, and show your support. We appreciate you visiting the Grap Coin YouTube channel. The cost has emerged from the assistance zone. We'll now watch to see if there's enough momentum to raise it above 6.9 cents. This would be another evidence that the situation has reached its lowest point. Hello there.